Hey there, amazing learners! Are you ready to become alphabet superstars? Today we're playing the most fun alphabet games that will make you a letter-finding champion. Let's go! I'm Lilo, and today we're exploring awesome online games that help you recognize all 26 letters. Parents, these games are perfect for screen time that's both fun and educational. I see one. There's an A in the tree. Can you find another one? Point to your screen. Our first game is Letter Treasure Hunt. Look at this screen. Can you find all the letter A? I see one. There's an A in the tree. Can you find another one? Point to your screen. Amazing! You found the A in the apple. This game helps your brain remember what each letter looks like. Let's try letter B next. Remember, the letter B has two bumps on the right side. Can you trace it with your finger in the air? B, B, B. Now for alphabet matching madness. We need to match uppercase letters with their lowercase friends. Look, Big A wants to find Little A, their best friends. Can you help them find each other?